Genstone is a do-it-yourself, friendly system of panels, corners, ledgers, and trim. Let's take a look at how our Made Easy system works, starting with the outside corner. Attach the corner with screws in the panel connection void and in the face where necessary. Run a bead of caulking in each area where the bricks from the next panel will slide into place. The bricks from the next panel will conceal the fasteners and caulking. Secure each preceding panel with screws and caulking in the connection voids, as well as screws in the face near the connection between the two panels. Face screws can be hidden under the bricks and covered up with Genstone color match caulking. No fasteners should be placed in the top mortar area of the panel. Repeat this process for the next panel and again for each panel throughout the run. When you approach the end of the wall, the bricks can be cut vertically and terminated into another surface. But if you intend to connect to another corner, we recommend reducing the width of the brick by removing the material from the center of the panel to preserve the connection bricks. Attach the outside corner ledger with screws in the mortar and fill in the fastener holes with color match caulking. All ledgers can be cut to size with a handsaw and painted where the cut was made. The inside corner panel is attached in the same way as the outside corner. All pieces, including outside and inside corners, as well as ledgers, are designed to work with one another in any order or combination. Just cut to size and attach. With Genstone, you can install over 3 square feet per panel quickly and easily with ordinary tools. Our Made Easy system goes from the box to the wall in minutes, making a complete home transformation like this wainscot project possible for anyone to accomplish in just hours, without the mortar and without the mess.